See, I just wanna let you know. Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne, you are just a pussy ass nigga. You on your deathbed and I hope you don't get better. Cause I'm coming in and I'm straight up to the top with it. And you ain't going nowhere, you just disrespecting all this. Nigga, you should be dead from the get-go. You ain't nothing in this thing, you never will go up in it again. Cause I'll be in the wind. Nigga wanna spin, but I'm spinning in the thing, man. What you tryna say, nigga? I'm only 5'4". I bet I whoop your ass right next to next dog. Cause I'm next and on to this, and I'll be next up on to that. And I don't give a damn, cause your bitch say I hit it better than you ever did up in this shit. I ain't even playing. Niggas coming around like they going insane, man. Man, if you wake up in this hole, you better go. I'm gonna make sure that I throw everything into your cheddar hoe. Nigga, what you saying? I'ma do to this big. Got your bitch coming in and taking money from that big nigga coming in. Don't give a damn, never have. I'ma be the one that's coming in glad. I'ma strong up in this hole. What you trying to say to me, nigga? I'ma just go straight jet up in the scene, nigga. What you trying to say to me? You on your deathbed. I bet you can't rise, cause I'm in the and everybody that you wrong in this hole, they gonna go down and I'ma straight up come in this, yo. I ain't even playing, it's a war hoe. I'ma make sure I throw it down like a throne, though. I'ma be beastin' in this hole, I'ma let it go. Ain't even fucking around, I'ma let it go. Nigga, I'm just playing in this hole, just had to let you know. I'm a beastin', I'm a buster. Nigga want a goblin, I'ma be the one that's coming in and I'ma stab them. I don't give a fuck what they say. I put my goons to the work every day. Niggas go insane cause they see my work and they just don't understand. But once they do, man, they just going crazy. This is for my peeps back in the high school. Niggas think they cool, but they ain't doing nothing. Same with them girls with them glasses. Niggas always hiding, don't give a fuck about them. Never really had this one company, bitch. Don't give a fuck about freeing me, bitch. Nigga, what you saying to me? I'ma let it go. Nigga coming from the dirty south, I know. Sipping on that lean or I'm sipping on that dro. Don't really matter, ho. Let's get it on the flow, nigga. Lil Wayne ain't nothing but a little bitch, nigga. I'ma make sure that I rock on the top of this, nigga. Nigga, I don't mean to disrespect, but you ain't got shit coming my way, bitch. Nigga, you can say whatever you wanna say, ho, but I bet you them hands will go straight through. Nigga, I don't give a fuck about you, never have. What about your group, nigga? Get them back.